You know what? Every single day I wake up and I just think, what crazy thing has Tamadoge decided to announce today? Every morning there is some more bullish news burying the fudders under the ground, and I'm getting super bullish on what's happening as we consolidate at the $0.02 level, and it looks like Tamadoge is preparing to make the next leg up back to the 3 cents level quite soon. So let's check it out, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Tamadoge Twitter page right now. I'm not going to show you the announcements just yet, but looking at Tamadoge, we've got a $21.7 million market capital, rank 2,788 versus other cryptos. And you can see, over the last 7 days now, we got our pump. We had our pre-sale pump up to that 0.03. We got the retracement down. All the beta sale investors have sold their positions now, probably regretting it, especially the people that sold in fear and got shaken out because of the whales. They thought it was going to go much lower than what it did. In reality, it didn't really correct that much, and I think from here it's just onwards and upwards. So here's the first crazy announcement. We can see we have now submitted our Binance application and we need your support. Binance will be looking at the TAMA volume and price, so we encourage you to buy TAMA to give us the best chance of listing. Good incentive, right? I mean, if you buy it and it does get listed on Binance, there's a good chance that your investment would have gone up a lot in value. What else do we have? Some more crazy news. 6 days until the next centralized exchange listing. Well, it's actually 5 days because this was yesterday. It's going to be on the 5th of October. So we can see it's on the L-Bank exchange, this one here. And the trend is your friend, and this is another centralized exchange, so I imagine there are more in the pipeline. And guess what? Yes, there are. I found this one for doing some research myself. Bitmart will also list Tamadoge, and this one is actually today, guys. This is one that they haven't announced, most likely due to exclusive deals or partnerships or something. It's just a normal exchange thing, business as usual in the crypto world. But I found this one, and we can see Bitmart, they are listing Tamadoge as well. So we've got L-Bank, we've got Bitmart today. I mean, what else is going to come? There's surely going to be more exchanges around the corner at this rate, because they are not really slowing down, are they? They're making it a key effort, a core focus is in the forefront of their mind to get on all of these centralized exchanges, which is of course extremely bullish for the community. Right now we just need to see some bullish action in the crypto markets. Can you imagine if Tamadoge launched in, I know, the peak of a bull market? This thing would have exploded, guys. Just because we're in a bear market, the sentiment's changed, buying behaviors changed, consumer behaviors changed. People are pretty broke now and exhausted from the bull run we just had. This is just going to be a phase of accumulation, most likely. And by the next crypto bull run, this is when I believe Tamadoge will hit those 100, 200, 300, 400, maybe even 500 to $1 billion market capital, right? So that's why it's all about having a long-term investment strategy. Stop worrying about tomorrow. Stop getting in pre-sales because you want to make money as soon as they launch. There's much more potential, right? In fact, I want to show you a key example. Just before we do continue, let's quickly look at XRP. I just want to show you guys, because this is just why you shouldn't really worry. Why you shouldn't worry too much. I hope this is the right chart, and I hope it will take me back in time as far as I wanted it to. Not really. I mean, it will do. But we can see, in 2018, XRP was all the way over here at $1.50. XRP corrected 93%, okay? More than what Tamadoge has done. And then it went up by 1,800%, making an 18x. So just think of it as the same phase. You've had that pre-sale, downtrend, you've had the sell-off. Now you're in a consolidation phase, and then we will see the impulsive phase again in the future. So just, it's a normal crypto thing. It doesn't mean we're not going to see some crazy all-time highs in the future. Just chill the freaking hell out, everyone. Seriously, just chill out. And what else do we have? I wanted to show you. So we've got the Bitmart listing rate. We've also got L-Bank. So I've just looked at the volume here on CoinMarketCap. Just curious. We can see Bitmart is sitting at rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the 11th biggest one in terms of volume over the last 24 hours. OKX is just down below by 2 positions. So you could argue that Bitmart is bigger in terms of volume than OKX right now. L-Bank, I don't know where you are. You're at $1 billion. That's still quite a significant amount, to be honest. And of course, we've got all these other exchanges that it could list on. What if it goes on MEXC? What if it goes on Hotcoin? What if it goes on DeepCoin? guys, Tamadoge has a lot of growth potential right now. I really do see it at these current levels. Not financial advice, I'm not telling you to buy it. Looking at the volume on the OKX exchange as well, getting $1 million there. That's 0.1% of the total volume on the exchange was just Tamadoge alone. That's quite impressive, actually. So yeah, I think it's cool to see what Tamadoge is doing, what's happening. Look at the top meme coins as well. Tamadoge has 22 point something million dollars, right? So we're sitting just under Pitbull at rank 2, 4, 6, 8 or 9. So Tamadoge is a rank 8 or 9 meme coin already. I don't know what else to say, ladies and gents. I think Tamadoge is going to explode. We've got a nice breakout here. We respected this support level of 0.0191, as you can see. We broke back through the resistance here of 0.201, and we've got a lovely hourly candle here demonstrating that the bulls are back in control. I do see us retesting the 0.022 quite soon, which would be a short move from where we are at the moment, but I do anticipate another pump to the upside, about 3.36%. We bust through that resistance, then we're going to make our way to the 0.025 without a doubt, looking for the 0.028 in the near future as well. So I think the recovery is on the way. We hit oversold here on the hourly time frame. We don't really have enough data on the 4 hour just yet, but I do expect volume now to increase. As we can see, the RSI is beginning to come up at this particular time frame. So let's just wait and see. Last time we were overbought was here. We are seeing a slightly overbought a trend here on the 15-minute time frame, but it's such a small time frame. It's not really not a lot of use of actually just like looking at these smaller time frames, because look, guys, it's only been live for 3 days and you guys are already fudding. So I would be fudding if they weren't launching on centralized exchanges, right? I would be fudding if they weren't trying to maximize the exposure and still focus on marketing. Then I'd be fudding, but they haven't run away, guys. They're there. They're doing everything. I don't know how you can complain. Anyways, that's about a wrap with this video. Of course, it's not financial advice. If you are new here, get into my Discord channel down below. Make sure you use the OKX link down below as well, should you wish to also take advantage of the potential chance to win $10,000. So yeah, like, comment, smash that subscribe button. You guys have a great weekend. Let's see Tamadoge go to the moon. I'm waiting for that 3 cents, and I think a realistic target by the end of this year, maybe in January, February 2023 at the latest, is going to be 0.12 cents. Write that down in a book. Write my name next to it. I guarantee, in my opinion, there's a 99.99% chance. That's right. The Tamadoge is going to do some crazy things. Anyways, see you guys.